today we have the newest high-grade Police Zaku.
Are you kidding? Police Zaku. And that sort of messes with my mind a bit because I know the Zaku to be baddie.
Yes.
And how is there a police Zaku? Doesn't make sense to me at all.
That's why G Clocks this show exists. It's like Bandai is really playing around the story for the Universal Centuries. So they're pretending there's a storyline. The Zeon wants the war, the 1 year war during the very first show.
Yep.
And that's why the Zaku becomes to the goodies.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And this is a brand new release.
Yes, brand new. Yeah.
Just in Australia now. And
So
what is it? It's a HG?
Yeah, it's a HG. Yeah.
It has quite a funky box art, doesn't it? Quite different to other Gundam.
Yeah, you will find because the mechanical design for this show is actually the same designer for Evangelion.
Oh, as an Evangelion designer.
Yeah, so it's very mind refreshing ones. Yeah, so you can feel like the Evangelions and Gundams two combinations together, which is very interesting, I think, and it's so unique. So you can't miss out this one.
There's not too many parts in this one.
Yeah, because
HG.
Yeah, because it's HG and because police is you'll need a lot of police at the same time.
Oh,
Yeah.
So you can have lots of them.
Yeah, lots of them. Yeah. Very easy to build.
Nice build.
Yeah. And it comes with some special weapons this time to indicate it's a police.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
If
Different from the other Zaku.
Yeah, if you see here, the weapon set.
Comes with a weapon set.
Yeah.
That's
So-
pretty fun.
So normally the rifle gun is very straightforward, two half and half snap together. But this time you get some gimmicks on the gun. It's you can remove the magazine at the top.
Ah, remove the magazine.
Yeah, and also the handle is adjustable of the angle.
Yep.
So you can do more different poses with them.
Mm-hmm.
And it also comes with the police weapon. This one here.
Oh, the baton.
Yeah, the baton.
Don't you? You would love a baton, wouldn't you? You would. I could see you would love a baton.
Yeah. That's a very good one, I think. And I pretty like the decals.
It has a big decal set.
Yeah.
You're going to make me get the decals out. Where are they? These ones?
Yeah, these ones. Yeah, if you can see, it has a very white strips lines for the decals looks very nice this time. And also it has a big police kanji on the shield, which is pretty cool. I like the font design for this.
You like this one too?
Yeah.
So is one going to go home with you today?
I'm hoping there's one left.
By the end of the day?
Yeah, because it's going so fast this time. Yeah.
Well, if we keep this one hidden out the back here,
Yeah.
maybe you'll have a chance.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
No, that is fantastic.
Yeah.
You'll have to do one of your point of view builds again or something.
I need.
When you did on the, I forget now, the duck one, the little one you did.
Oh,
You did the build. No?
the SD one.
The SD one, that was cool, like a little 18-minute build. It was fantastic.
Yeah.
That is awesome, guys. Excuse me. Thank you very much, Kawa, for coming in. Have you got any other news for us?
No, that's it.
So you're getting ready for Model Expo.
I will be there.
You've
tomorrow.
been gearing up. I was looking at this before because I remember you bought this in this morning.
Yes,
This is your very own respirator.
Yes.
So you're not a Gundam builder anymore. You are officially a model builder.
I am. I'm in this area.
That is cool, in this area.
Yeah.
Up here with Kobe's ones.
Yeah.
Hey, that is really cool. So hopefully we'll see you. We'll definitely see you tomorrow at Model Expo.
Yeah.
You'll be working in the 9-step stand.
Yes. Of
saying
course.
hello. You'll have a bright orange t-shirt on, I imagine,
Yeah.
or maybe you'll have full anime costume. I don't know. It's up
We'll
to
see.
you.
We'll see. Yeah.
That is fantastic, Kawa. Thank you very much for
No
joining us.
worries.
Good luck at Model Expo,
Yeah.
and we'll speak to you soon.
Yeah. See you guys. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. If you could get Kobe, that would be awesome.
Okay. I'll go get him.
That's a lot of energy, guys. I can't keep up with Kawa. So, yeah, Model Expo. And this one, she was so excited. She absolutely lit up. So this Police Zaku thing. I know we don't have many left, but yeah, all new Gundam, which is really good. They weren't supposed to arrive until August. So usually we always get stitched up in the fact that whatever we say, it's always late. Like if they say August, sometimes it might be December, right? But in this case, it came early. So that's really nice. So thank you. And if you're into your Gundam and your Gunpla, check out this bad boy. All right.